welcome to a new video. Today I discuss X12 Wi-Fi FPV drone altitude hold wide-angle lens Waypoints, white 720p camera. Let's get started. It supported 720p Wi-Fi camera, altitude hold, Waypoints, headless mode, 1 key takeoff, landing, transmitter/Wi-Fi app control. The 0.3MP/720p Wi-Fi camera offers you a clear aerial view in real time. Make the quadcopter fly stably, easier to control and shoot clear photos. One key return and 1 key takeoff/landing. Small parts disclaimer: these toys contain small parts, not for children under 3 years in case of swallowing or choking. We do not accept any responsibility or liability for misuse of this or any other product. Main features: 720p wide angle, 0.3MP Wi-Fi camera transmits videos in real time for a FPV flight altitude hold mode. Make the flight more stable and help to shoot clear photos. Waypoints, set a flight path on the app interface for the drone headless mode. No need to adjust the position of aircraft before flying. 3D flip for a cool flight. Easy operation. 1 key return, 1 key takeoff, 1 key landing. Coreless motor, durable and powerful foldable design. Easy to control. 2.4 GHz technology for a good anti-interference performance. App download. QR code on the manual. If you are interested in this product, my link is available in the description box. Go there and buy it. That's it from this video. Subscribe and bell icon to get our latest video notifications.